अस्सलामुअलैकुम। आज हम करने जा रहे हैं CS301 फाइनल टर्म प्रिपरेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 स्टार्ट करते हैं। ईच ऑपरेटर इन ए पोस्ट फिक्स एक्सप्रेशन रेफर्स टू द प्रीवियस डैश ऑपरेंड। करेक्ट आंसर इज 2। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इन द लिंक्ड list implementation of the QU class where does the insert member function place the new entry on the linked list. Correct answer is at the tail. Question number 3 if a complete binary tree has an n number of nodes then its height will be. Correct answer is log 2n plus 1 minus 1. Question number 4 binary search is an algorithm of searching used with the dash data. Correct answer is sorted. Question number 5 consider the following array 23, 15, 5, 12, 40, 10, 7. After the first pass of particular algorithm the array looks like 15, 5, 12, 23, 10, 7, 40. Name the algorithm used. Correct answer is bubble sort. Question number 6 consider a min heap represented by following array 10, 30, 20, 70, 40, 50, 80, 60. Array after inserting a node with value 31, which of the following is the updated min heap? Correct answer is 10, 30, 20, 31, 40, 50, 80, 60, 70. Question number 7 we can build a heap in dash time. Correct answer is linear. Question number 8 suppose we had a hash table whose hash function is n modulus 12. If the number 35 is already in the hash table, which of the following number would cause a collision? Correct answer is 145. Question number 9 which of the following stack operation could result in stack underflow? Correct answer is pop. Question number 10 it will be efficient to place stack elements at the start of the list because insertion and removal take dash time. Correct answer is constant. Question number 11 the word case of deletion in AVL tree require. Correct answer is rotation equal to log n. Question number 12 in the threaded binary tree everyone that does not have a left child has a thread to its. Correct answer is in order predecessor. Question number 13 to create a dash we link the last node with the first node in the list. Correct answer is circularly linked list. Question number 14 by using dash we avoid the recursive method of traversing a tree. Correct answer is threaded binary tree. Question number 15 which of the following is true about arrays? Correct answer is we can increase the size of arrays after this creation. Question number 16 here is an array of 10 integer 5, 3, 8, 9, 1, 7, 0, 2, 6, 4. Correct. After the first iteration of the main loop in selection sort algorithm will sorting from smallest to largest. Correct answer is 0, 3, 8, 9, 1, 7, 5, 2, 6, 4. Question number 17 when unions are done by weight size the depth of any element is never greater than. Correct answer is log 2n. Question number 18 what is the best definition of collision in a hash table? Correct answer is two entries with different keys have the same hash value. Question number 19 which of the following is not true regarding the maze generation? Correct answer is remove a randomly chosen val if the cells it separate are already in the same set. Question number 20 plus plus is a dash operator binary operator. Question number 21 in the call by dash methodology a copy of the object is passed to the call function. Correct answer is value. Question number 22 in a skip list of n element which level include all the element? Correct answer is 0. Question number 23 in a skip list SO hold the key of S which of the following order? Correct answer is non-decreasing. Question number 24 the balance factor of an empty AVL tree is. करेक्ट आंसर इज 0. स्टूडेंट अगर आपको समझ आ रही है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और कमेंट करें. क्वेश्चन नंबर 25 हैश फंक्शन कैन रिड्यूस सर्चिंग ऑपरेशन टू डैश इन इट्स बेस्ट एंड एवरेज केसेस. करेक्ट आंसर इज एल्गोरिथमिक टाइम. Question number 26 best case running time of selection sort algorithm is. Correct answer is 0 and n square. Question number 27 if a list contains 32 elements how many times list must split during merge sort? Correct answer is log 32 by 2 times. Question number 28 dash in equivalence relation is a fix if x leads to y and y lead to z, then x lead to z. Correct answer is transitivity. Question number 29 return value of get mint method is always dash of mint heap. Correct answer is root. Question number 30 which formula is the best approximation for the depth of a heap with n nodes? Correct answer is log base 2 of n. Question number 31 a complete binary tree of height dash has node between 16 to 31. Correct answer is 4. Question number 32 get method of list is correct answer is one step method. Question number 33 using human encoding for data to be sent on network enable us to send it with correct answer is large data size and less transmission time. Question number 34 which of the following is the most significant part of compiler? Correct answer is expression tree. Question number 35 which of the following is not a factor in a union by size? Correct answer is makes the larger tree the subtree of the smaller one. Question number 36 a binary tree with 24 internal nodes has dash external nodes. Correct answer is 25. If there are n external nodes in a binary tree, the number of internal nodes will be correct answer is n plus 1. Question number 38 if there are 56 internal nodes in a binary tree, then how many external nodes this binary tree will have? Correct answer is 57. Question number 39 in disjoint set union is a dash time operation. Correct answer is constant. Question number 40 which of the following is not an example of equivalence relation? Correct answer is greater than equal to relation. Question number 41 the data of the problem of 2 GB and the hard disk of 1 GB capacity. To solve this problem we should correct answer is increase the hard disk space. Question number 43 4 statement about the trees are below, 3 of them are correct, which one is incorrect? Correct answer is a such tree is a special type of tree where all values keys are ordered. Question number 45 which of the following is not an implementation of table ADT? Correct answer is tab. Question number 46 consider the following array 23 15 5 12 40 10 7 after the first pass of particular algorithm. The array looks like 15 5 12 23 10 7 40. Name the algorithm used. Correct answer is bubble sort. Question number 48 which one of the following algorithm is least efficient? Correct answer is quick sort. Question number 49 suppose a pointer has been declared in main but has no assigned any variable address, then correct answer is the pointer to any memory address. उम्मीद है कि स्टूडेंट आपको ये क्विज समझ आ गए होंगे। ये CS 301 के मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट रिपीटेड MCQs हैं जिनके आंसर बिल्कुल 100% करेक्ट हैं। फिर भी अगर कोई कन्फ्यूजन है तो आप प्लीज़ कमेंट करके मुझे बताएंगे। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी तो आप प्लीज़ लाइक